crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is mail call mailbag video. So in the past I've done some of these separately to really pinpoint each shop. I'll list the individual shops down below. Yes, if you're a frequent viewer, you know that I said I was cutting back. I'm not buying anything else until Black Friday and that, but this was pre-purchased before that commitment. In fact, some of this stuff's been on order a few weeks, if not a couple of months. But with that said, let's get into what came in the mail today. So this is from the Shiplap Quilt Company, and I believe they are out of Washington. I've actually been a fairly steady customer of theirs. I'm not a big customer, I'm sure, by any stretch of the imagination, but they do pop up some stuff every so often that I just really have to have that I haven't seen anywhere else. I think it's funny, as many quilt shops as I have around here and as much time as I spend online, how I still find unique things other places. So this popped up. I loved the kit and just had to go with it. So with that said, without further ado, without me just rattling on, let's look at what is in the kit. And so the kit it's a Villa Rosa design. I had no idea when I ordered this that it was actually a Villa Rosa design. So that tells you how deep I got into that. So that makes this kit even more amazing because you know I already love Villa Rosa. So this one is called Dainty Machines. It's by Soul Sister for Villa Rosa Designs. I couldn't help it. I just fell in love with those stupid sewing machines, and I wanted this pattern, and I really liked the fabric. So they basically did this in a rainbow fabric, and it's got little pins, not push pins, but straight pins on there, like you would have. So it's got the red, kind of that coral, a pink, a yellow, a darker coral, hot pink, and then that's a navy, and a lavender, more of a lime green, soft lime green, more like a North Carolina blue, baby bluish turquoisey kind of, and an evergreen. I just fell in love with these colors. It came with the backing. So it goes on a white background. Obviously, these are all pieced together to make one. I just think, how fun is that pattern going to be? So I am very anxious to get this put together. I have never seen Villa Rosa do something that's kind of this complicated. So I'm hoping that it follows my love for Villa Rosa, and it looks complicated, but it's really a pretty simple pattern. So I couldn't be more excited. So this one will make it to the top of the list fairly quick. Probably end up in the cutting room now versus going in one of these tubs that I'm going to get to one day. So there's one. Second package is from, oh, you'll never believe it, Villa Rosa Designs. So they had some clearance sales the other day, about 2 weeks ago on their website. I decided that they just had a few things I couldn't live without. And so, you know what? I decided life's too short, and I got some more patterns. So this one, and again, I don't know what calls to me sometimes. It's just weird, the things that call to me. This one, and let's open this and kind of go through it. Let me figure out where to put garbage. I'm still trying to get used to this new YouTube studio, folks. So this is a pattern by Molly Cook. It is called Kingpin, and believe it or not, I think I already have this pattern. Some of the things we may try to do is start, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, it'd be fun to do some giveaways, and at least start giving away some of these patterns and some stuff that I have duplicates of, and then maybe some bigger prizes. Maybe we'll try to do a nice kit on my first live after hitting 1,000. But this Kingpin pattern I thought was really cool. I really like the way those squares are kind of, I'm going to say, offset. And this came with, it's more of a country collection, right? And I just liked this very early American type set. I love this orange. Some of these fabrics, I tell you, I wish I knew where they were because I would go back and buy some of those. But it comes with the red, it comes with the orange, it comes with the green, it comes with the blue, purple, and then it's the white background fabric. How cool is that? So my guess is, not giving away anything, not looking at the instructions at all, that you're going to take your pattern and that's going to make this square, right? That square inside, whoops, and then the coordinating will go around that, and then you've got that white to go all around it. So I think that is going to make such a cool quilt. It will not go to the cutting room today because I already have, I think, 8 projects in there that I'm like, I just got to get these done. I can't wait to get those done, but we'll see. And then this is the coordinating fabric that they gave me, which is kind of cool. And again, I'm not sure where that goes. If that ends up being some of the binding, if it's a border, I don't think it's enough probably for the backing, but we'll see. And again, I haven't read through the instructions, so I will. But that was from Villa Rosa, so go me, because you know me and Villa Rosa, we are buddies. And then I got Baby Goose. And I've seen this on their site. This ended up being like 30% off. I ended up breaking down and getting it because what this has, it says black, so I like to cut 2, 1/2. So this is all of the diner. So this is the 50s, 60s diner. It comes with all the coordinating fabrics to make that diner. So it comes with, you know, the booths, that teal blue. It comes with the black. It comes with that 50s, 60s car. It comes with, you know, the jukebox and the music. Even the fabric that has the salt and pepper shakers and all that, the coffee pots, a black and white polka dot, and then just some black background. I don't know. I grew up on Happy Days and Laverne and Shirley, and we don't want to forget Mork and Mindy. But I just loved Happy Days, and I thought Arnold's was such a cool place, and you know, everything was so cool back in the day. And of course, I did not always have the best high school, middle school experience. In fact, I had a horrid middle school experience. But that said, I just always kind of fell in love. I love, one of my favorite movies of all time is Grease. It always will be Grease. I had a crush on Olivia Newton-John forever. I just think she's just the epitome to me of that 60s, 50s era, and all the stuff that goes with that. So anyways, I had to get this. I have been watching it. It finally went on. I think it was 30% off, and I'm like, you know what? If I don't get it, I'm going to end up regretting it. And you know, you all do not want John to have regrets. So heaven forbid that John would regret and miss an opportunity to buy something. So I didn't. So you all can sleep better tonight because you know John made it happen. And then my last box, this had been on order, I know, for a little while, and this came from Keepsake Quilting. So I am not a loyal customer to Keepsake. I like some of the stuff that they do. I find stuff on there that I can't find anywhere else. And again, just certain things pop up, but I probably buy from them 4 or 5 times a year, if that. Not for nothing negative. There's no reason I don't, just other than I don't look at their sites frequently, which is probably to my betterment because I ended up ordering 5 things. So this time I ordered, I fell in love with this stupid pattern called Family Album. So it is a complete kit. And look at the pumpkins. Look at that dark orange and blue. And it's just what you consider that mysterious, spooky, Scooby-Doo Christmas. Or Christmas. Lord have mercy. You can tell I've worked today. Halloween. And I don't know. I really liked this. It came as a complete kit. So I've got the panel. I've got all the complimentary designs in that. I can tell you this will be a 2025 Halloween project because I've already got too many going for this year, and I don't even know what I'm going to do with all of them that I have. Some of them end up on the website for sale. I'm not even sure how that's going to work right now. And then the rest end up going to, like, my poor daughter. So fortunately, unlike some of the kids around here where the women tell me, oh, my family's told me I can't make any more quilts or I can't send it to them. They don't want another quilt. I mean, how wild is that, that some of these women have made so many quilts and furnished so many to their family that their family goes, we don't want another one. We don't need another one. We have nowhere to hang it. I don't think my kids would ever tell me that. I think they would just take it, and I don't know. I found this log cabin on their site. I really liked these colors. It's that teal, blue, green. I have yet to do a true log cabin, and my daughter loves these colors. So this may very well end up being a quilt for her at some point. I don't know, but I did like these colors. I know she really likes these colors, and I thought, well, why not grab it? It was on sale. These were all on sale, or I would not have picked them up. This one, I fell in love with the pattern again. It's called Set Sail. It is not, the kit is not in those colors. It is in florals with a charm pack, or no, fat quarter pack, I guess. And it's called Roar Set Sail Mist Quilt Kit. And so I really liked that, the idea of this pattern, and I really like the idea of doing it in florals and all that for a spring summer quilt. So that again will end up in a tub bin for a while, but it'll float to the top, don't worry. I have seen this other one called the Panel Twist. I thought it was cool, and again, I picked this pattern up in the kit because I just really liked the idea of that. I thought that was really cool, and it came with all the fabrics to make that. So I think that's going to be really cool. I'm trying to get the glare off the screen for you. I think it's totally different than anything else I've done, so I thought it might be kind of fun and challenging for me to do. And so, yep, it fell in the shopping cart. So, 'tis what it is. But I did get free shipping, by the way, so I saved money and got free shipping. And the last one I bought is called Vertical Gardens Quilt Kit. And again, it's very similar with that diamond approach in that. And this one is more what I call the fall colors because it's got that brown batik and all that. I have done very, 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 very little with batiks. I have not done the first full quilt of batiks. So I thought this might be an opportunity for me to see whether or not I even like working with batiks. So, hey guys, thanks for dropping in. That is what I call mailbag, mail stop, mail call for John. I hope you all are having an amazing week. Hope you're having a happy Tuesday morning and things are kicking off for you. As always, please hit that thumbs up, hit the like button. Love to read your comments, love to respond to each and every one of those. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is just part of what I do and part of who I am. And doesn't get much better than this, and hopefully it doesn't get worse than this. But with all that said, tell your friends, neighbors, anyone that'll listen about the channel. I'm working really hard before Christmas to hit that 1,000 mark. Really be cool if we could hit it by Thanksgiving. But other than that, I appreciate each and every one of you. You all, the YouTube family, is so special to me and means so much to me. You have no idea right now the support and that I get from you all, how much that actually means. So with all that said, you landed on Guys Craft 2. I appreciate you dropping in, letting me rattle for a few minutes. And as always, until next time, happy crafting!